24 hours, people genuinely thought the Botting Pokemon Center was dead. Well, at least they thought. Come on! Oh, so many going in now. Going for a big roll there, guys. Going for a big roll. Shit, man! The Pokemon Center queue has just gone live. We are live, running a bot. It's expected to potentially be the Chaos Rising drop. We're also in the queues manually over here as well. We're going for every angle possible. Tom's got phone on, computer on. We're adding all our tasks now, putting them in. We're going to change delay to 60,000. It's just gone live in America. It usually comes a few minutes after in the UK, so we're ready to rumble. I'm gonna load up my product IDs and see. Oh, it's loaded, it's loaded, it's loaded in, loaded in. It's loaded in. Shit, man. This is as simple as this now, guys. I'm gonna change quantity to 2. I'm gonna drop my delay as well to 30,000. And then we should see now that some of these are gonna swap over and start checking out any second now. We were assuming we want everything, booster box, ETBs and bundles, yeah. We've gone from out of stock now. That means it's basically like the product's on the website now. About to rip in, we're about to rip in, hopefully. Oh, one's in, one's added to cart. Here we go, submit an address, here we go. Getting payment key, blocked. Encapsula block ATC, this isn't good, boys. This isn't good. Oh, 3DS is in now. Alex is the first one, let's go! I don't know if everything's loaded in though, so I'm not sure what this is gonna be. We'll find out in a second what it is. Is it gonna go through? Is it gonna go through? 1 checkout's in. What's on the order?
4 BBs.
Roll, Al's in with 4 booster bundles already.
ETBs live.
Rolling it back to the normal product IDs now, about to see. This is what I mean, on the drop you've got to be rolling around. Someone else is in for another charge. Me, that's me. We're going 2 here, 2 in so far. Submitting order, payment declined. What's that about? Oh, there's another one. Someone else got charged. Max. Woo! 2 down so far, 2 down. Max, you going for another? You've actually got another 3DS on the go here. We're going to 3DS. Come on then. Payment declined. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly try something here. I'm basically changing it so it should, in theory, change Max's task. Max got on 3DS. Come on, G. Checked out. Whoa! 3 down, 3 orders down so far, people. It is literally just a waiting game. You've got to be waiting, ticking down the queue, waiting for you to get through the queue, get out the queue, and then that's when the checkouts start rolling in. Max is going again, he's going again. We're submitting order. Waiting for 3DS. Declined. Tino's got a 3DS on the dance. Payment declined, we're rotating profile. Alex, it's you. Encapsula block. I just basically changed it, so basically if someone's order declines, it should try and change to another profile. Oh, someone else just copped. 4 down. So this is basically the guys in the CCM Botting Mentorship. They are currently running the bot, checking out, copying. 3 of our support guys in here. Everyone here will be cooking. Let's have a look. Oh, this is the first guy. Aaron's on the fucking cop. He's on 30 checkouts now. He's fucking flying. He's having a better day than us, I know that, fucking hell. But if you want to learn more about the Botting Mentorship, then you can obviously click below this video and there'll be a link there to speak to the team, all that stuff if you want to get involved in this and get training on our mentorship and be getting tons of checkouts. Oh, submitting address, getting payment key, sending payment key, submitting payment. I've got 3DS, here we go, let's have it. Let's go, let me have an order. Oh, that's my first one of the day, people. What's on the menu, Max? What's on the menu? Will, you're going in for your first cop of the day, mate. Oh, 3DS, Will, come on, son. Approved? Oh, declined, fuck!
3DS.
Oh, blocked. Shit, man. So obviously things were not as smooth as usual today. We've had a good few encapsula blocks, good few payment declines. Encapsula block, basically it's an anti-bot ban if they detect that you're a bot. And then payment decline is a profile issue, so I'll have to go in there, double check everything's all good. Previously in the last drop or 2, changed all my details to different details. Need to go through and have a reconvene later. We've got a good few coming up very soon. We've got 1 and 0 now, so we could be in for another wave of checkouts coming in. Submit an order. 3DS.
God save you.
Get summer. Oh, 1 in, another checkout. Okay, we're in, we're adding to cart, So here we go. There's a blocked.
That's what I mean, like.
Fuck off. fucking banned. Oh no, it's going again. It's back on the move. Just teasing us, wasn't it? Just teasing us, mate. Waiting for 3DS. Come on, let me have one. Let me have a second here. Let me have a second. Come on! Woo! Seven checkouts. Back in the Botting Mentorship. Oh, he's on 38 now. So these guys are basically live in the mentorship, just helping out people with all the problems and stuff like that. Another CCM Botting Mentorship member here. He's on 8 checkouts, fucking gassed up. When it comes to botting as well, like another key concept is you should basically, in the bot, there's only so many control variables, like your profile, your delay. One of the biggest ones always is proxies. You use proxies to get different IP addresses. Basically, if you have really bad quality proxies, or even if they was good quality at one point, eventually over time they can degrade because the website ends up flagging them. So it's always good to like transition and rotate, and always try and like run multiples of the control variables. Let's see, we got a few in here. We got a few on 3 mins. Oh, we're going in. Okay, we got 2 blocks straight out the gate. We got a couple on add to cart. It might not be all bad. Okay, and another's going back. We've got a double. We've got a double. Come on, Will, that's you, my G. We've got another going in. As well. It's adding to cart. Okay, don't worry, mate. Don't worry. Checked out. Come on, son. We're on 8. We've got another coming in as well for you, Will. Here we go. Come on, G. This might be a bad profile. Oh, double whammy. We got another coming in as well. Redemption. Let's accept. Easy money. We're on. We've authorized. Oh, we're on 10. We're on a good roll here. We've got a couple more in the mix. They're going in. Oh, 1 block. Nah, I can recover from an encapsulated block. Is he going to answer the phone? Is he going to miss a checkout? This is how long he's got. If he doesn't pick up the phone in this time, he's done for. Double 3DS, Al. 1 data dome banned straight through the queue. That's another anti-bot. So Pokémon Center has 2 different anti-bots on it. First one is Encapsula. That's probably the hardest one. You also have data dome as well. That's not really as strict as Encapsula, but that one's a data dome ban.
Checked out?
Oh yeah, someone checked out. I don't know who checked out though. Few on 0 minutes. We're going for a big roll here, guys. We're going for a big roll. And we got loads on 0 here. We're cooking. It's going. Oh, 12 in. Someone's out, someone else is in. Oh, so many going in now. Cart, Jay, running to cart. Let's see. Oh! It went. Been a minute since we had a fucking checkout on it. Jesus, man. Accept. Confirm. Yeah, it's a good hobby. We're in. We're accepted. Is it coming in? Oh, 14. We got another in. Oh, come on, Will. You got 3DS there, mate. Revy. Mate. I've just checked out. Did it go in? Oh, come on, son. Woo-wee. I'm 15 so far. 15 checkouts, 15 orders in Pokémon Center. Oh, we got another going in there. We've got 3DS and so is Max. Confirm. Thank fuck for that. Been a rough drop this, mate, I'm telling you. Not anymore. I fucking wish that was the fucking peak, mate. That was fucking good shit, that. Mom Fob.
Are we running?
Oh! Come on. Oh, we got a checkout. Do you know? Go on, girl. So guys, we're calling it a day there. We're on a total of 18 checkouts so far, a mix of 2 ETBs, 2 booster bundles and 1 booster box per order. 18 checkouts in successful this time around. We had some issues today with our profiles, so we're gonna go back, we're gonna tweak them and try and avoid the payment declines next time. We're also gonna run in 2 different proxy providers next time as well to spread our risks. One of the biggest things to think about in the whole process of botting. But other than that, people, link below this video. You can check out our Botting Mentorship where that call was being hosted tonight. We can get all the guidance, all the setup, all the help with the bots that, you know, can be relatively complicated. But everyone, I'll see everyone in the next video.